Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. Heygen just dropped a new feature and people are going crazy over it. Now you can generate a lifelike AI video avatar from a single photo with realistic movements and speech. I'll walk you through how you can generate the AI video avatar in this video. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video, and also do well to turn on the notification button for more videos. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Step 1. Create your avatar. To do this, go to Heygen, click on Avatars and select Photo Avatar. Click Create Photo Avatar to get started. Upload your image or generate it with AI. Step 2. Add motion to your avatar. Go to Photo Avatars and select your avatar. Click the 3 dots and choose Add Motion. Heygen will generate a short animated clip with natural movements. Step 3. Make your avatar speak. Go to Photo Avatars and select your avatar. Click Create with AI Studio. Type in the script or upload an audio file. Select a voice from the library and choose an emotion to match the tone. Click Submit and wait for your talking avatar to be rendered. Now let's see what the video we just made looks like.
Wait, did you know this video isn't real? It's completely AI generated. Imagine creating your own AI video avatar in just 2 minutes. With Heygen's groundbreaking new feature, you can turn any photo into a lifelike avatar that talks, moves, and shows realistic expressions. Don't miss out. Bring your digital persona to life today with Heygen.
And that's it. You've just created a custom AI video avatar that talks and moves realistically with Heygen. Now you can use it for presentations or social media content. Animate characters for storytelling or marketing. Bring any digital persona to life with a few clicks. To create your own avatar, follow the link in the description below and start creating your AI video avatar. Once again, please like, share, and comment. You can also support this channel by subscribing and turning on the notification button for more valuable content.